Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel Radiant Spirit. I am Reena and I know it's been long that we had a talk, we had a chat, but the topic which I will be discussing today was worth the wait. So today I'll be covering up the topic which we all think about it from time to time कि पूरा दिन निकल गया है और I was not able to achieve something. I was not able to achieve anything, whether it be a knowledge or a learning, anything. और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि we were just lazing around or goofing off. We were at work all day. But when we look back and the results were very dissatisfied. So, और कुछ लोग होते हैं with very less effort, they achieve so much. And we working, like 90% of us, we work the whole day and still not able to achieve even the half of them. So what do these productive people do so that they can achieve more with less efforts? Let's get started. These productive people are seen smiling more often. Even the smallest win will bring a happy smile on their faces. So smile often and confuse your brain that everything is right around me and there is nothing wrong. So keep smiling on very small achievements and confuse your brain with happiness. So एक बार उसको वो confusion दूर हो गई, he will always be happy and it will always keep you happy. Second, they don't believe in cluttering. Their rooms are not always untidy. Their mailboxes are always up to date. And the most important, they try not to take the emotional baggage of workload, of work pressure, or the results of the task they have been doing. So, always keep your mind, soul, workplace, room clutter free. Third, they take criticism positively. They see to it that they learn from the feedbacks and the criticisms which are shared with them. Fourth, they try to finish the difficult task before the meal time when our body is more energetic and tries to be more productive. Fifth, and the most important, they make the to-do list a night before because they know once the morning starts, they have to get the to-do list things done and not to waste the mornings in scheduling what to be done the whole day. That brings a sense of lethargy and it gives your brain a signal that there is too much of workload to do today. So always make a to-do list a night before. Sixth, they learn from their mistakes and they try their best not to repeat the same mistake again. They believe in creating new mistakes on the workplace, which makes them creative and, trust me, more productive. The next is they work on the system of reminder and review control. The reminders which will help them analyze the task according to the priority, and reviews which will help them understand where they could have done better. So let us all have our own selves reminder and review system in control. You can have an app or you can make a journal of it, or you can have a board or a post-its or notes where you can mention the reminders and against that the reviews of it. The next is they try to keep their communication clear and they keep on trying on the three aspects of communication: the right language, the right tone and the right medium to communicate better. Trust me, better communication skill is the key to most of our problems. It's a solution to most of our problems. So they always try to work on their communication skills. So even we should try. The last and the most important part is they do one thing at a time. Hopping from one task to another and backtracking wastes lot of time and it is guaranteed that it will likely to have errors. So let us focus on one thing at a time. Guys, I must admit that some of these tips are easier said than done. But if we put our mind and brain into practice, and if we take it seriously, if we practice these points consistently, I'm sure there will be a lot of improvement in the output. Thank you so much. Stay connected. Namaskar.